butter, take away my beef. Make me swallow vitamins 7 days a week. Keep me off of cigarettes and make me see a play. I'm gonna love you anyway. Take away my wine, take away my beer. Bust me for driving in a lower gear. Make me read instructions to see what they say. I'm gonna love you anyway. We love the rain in Portland. We seldom get a freeze. And June is such a perfect month for anniversaries. It rains a lot in Portland. We never get much snow. And June is such a pretty month to watch our flowers grow. Tease me for a rising at the crack of dawn.